Okay, I said I was gonna go shopping and pick up my kid's bike, but it turns out I have an extra 20 minutes and I've got all this inventory I gotta whip out by the end of this week. So I'm just gonna use the 20 minutes real fast here and put some paint on this one shelf bookcase. Okay, so you guys helped me with the survey, and the survey was just basically trying to help me understand which concept I should apply to a bookcase, meaning what my fellow artists felt would be the easiest concept to sell and as quick as possible. And the vast majority, this was fascinating, was actually white inside the bookcase. Can you envision this? White inside the bookcase and then surrounding it with a color around the frame. I'm sorry that we're looking at the back of the bookcase right now. I just thought that was a really interesting survey, so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to apply on the outside sea glass. It's backwards. I'm sorry. Facebook Live. We're going to apply sea glass to the outside of the bookcase. And then on the inside of the bookcase, which I probably won't have time to do on this particular live because I got things to do. This mama's busy. I'm sorry. I'm going to put it on the inside later. So I'm really excited about how it's going to look. It's going to look really fresh, I think. If you're interested in this color, sea glass, there is a link to this live. It's in the subject title. Check it out. Here's the thing. Okay, this mama, yes, I am a stay-at-home mom who runs a paint business. And I have never purchased, let alone used a chalk paintbrush. I haven't. I've only used tools that I've had on hand. This is a wall edger. You ever seen these at like the Ace Hardware or Home Depot? And you use them to like basically try to do perfect lines on your walls. Well, first of all, they never work, but they are fantastic at distributing paint quickly and evenly. So I like to use this instead of a brush when I have a lot of flat territory to cover and I want to do it quickly. So that's what I'm going to use. All right, so I'm just going to slap on some color here real quick and then I'm going to go run errands. Again, this is sea glass, which I love. Just love. Love it. Let me throw this away. And I'm just going to do, here we go. You see what I mean? Instead of using a brush, how easy this is. I mean, this is kind of on an uneven edge. I'm sorry, guys. Hold on. Saves so much time. Again, if you're just joining us, I'm not using a chalk paint brush. I don't use them, guys. I think they're too expensive. This is simply a wall edger that you would find at a Home Depot or at an Ace Hardware store. And they are awful for what they're actually made for. You know how you use these to edge your walls in your living room, you know, when you're painting a room and you're like, oh, I'm going to make perfect lines? They never do. But they're perfect for using on big surfaces like this. It's so fast and it distributes the paint very evenly. Love it. It makes, also I feel makes my Porch Nook paint feel a little bit longer. Oh my God, it's so good. If you know me, you know I vocalize while I am painting. When I really love something, I can't shut up. Can I get an amen? Who else is the same way? All right. Now I'm going to do the back of this bookcase just to show you. Oh, focus. Hello. I meant my phone, not you guys. I know you're focusing on me just fine. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys how fantastic these are. You can even use a roller. I like to use a roller too when I've got like a big armoire, a lot of surface to deal with. I use this. I do not use chalk paint brushes. I don't. There we go. What do you think? Do you love it? Do you love the idea? This is like a particle board backing and it soaks up paint. So this really gets the paint slapped on really evenly and I don't feel like I'm, you know, dealing with the bookcase like basically soaking up my paint. Love it. Definitely saving my wrist by using this, that's for sure. Hey Sonia! So today I'm just showing how instead of using a chalk paint brush, which this woman feels are too expensive, I really do, and I feel that they're unnecessary. Others may feel very differently than I do, and I'd love to hear from you. I'm just showing how you can just use like a wall painting edger piece, and it saves you a lot of time, a lot of energy. It also allows you to distribute paint evenly and quickly. Love it. I do. I love it. I also use rollers when I have like a big armoire surface to deal with, and I don't feel like doing this all day. But I can definitely do this real quick all day. That's for sure. See what I mean? I'm only probably going to use one coat using this thing. I love it. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like this idea? Almost done. Oh, lost my piece. That wasn't good. That's all right. Let's use this. All right, guys, that's it. Just wanted to say, hey, just wanted to show you what I was up to. You guys have a great day. In case we've never met before, by the way, I'm Kristen. I'm the owner of Porch Nook, a decorative paint business located in Folsom, California. So if you like this color, it's sea glass. The link is on this live. You know, I just realized too, I should put a link on one of these brushes that I just used. What do you think of that idea? I think you guys should have it. It's really simple. It makes painting furniture so much easier. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Oh, I got painted fingers. I can't touch my phone. Hold on. There goes my smooth exit.